contribute to environmental sustainability efforts within our barangay? Again, in what ways do you believe young people can contribute to environmental sustainability efforts within our barangay? Pwede ko daw itagalog. Okay, so, ano daw sa tingin mo yung mga ways, paraan na makakatulong sa mga young people? So, you believe that the young people ay makakakontribute in terms of environmental sustainability sa ating barangay? Ano yung magagawa? In short, ano yung magagawa ng mga young people para makatulong o makapag-contribute sa environmental sustainability sa ating barangay?
Para sa akin, magagawa ng kabataan, ako bilang isang kabataan, ang may tutulong ko sa environmental ay yung sa climate action is parang tutulong ka sa barangay para mapabuti yung environmental. Para kagaya ng tumulong ka maglinis sa mga barangay or sumama ka sa mga activities or makikooperate ka sa activities ng mga kabataan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mucha number 7. Now let's have Mucha number 5. So, she is Miss Wit. Prove us again that you are our Miss Wit. Are you ready? Okay, kindly choose your question.
What strategies would you propose to address mental health challenges among adolescents in our barangay?
Ag-nervous mo ka na.
Ano ba ang mga estratehiya na gusto mong i-propose para masolusyonan ang mga mental health challenges kagaya ng depression?
Bilang isang pinapinasyon.
I believe the strategies that I suggest is to participate in local mental health events, initiatives, educating oneself and another about common disorder, taking up psychological first aid training, or BFA, having open conversation about mental health awareness, and start with family member who can talk about their feelings and thoughts, therefore promoting better mental health awareness and requires a multi-twisted approach with other people. So that's it.
Okay.
It was already complete. Yes, that was also wonderful answer.
So, thank you very much, the audience. Habang sumasagot ko yung mutya natin, refrain from talking like that. Okay, now let's have mutya 3.
Last but probably not the least.
Are you ready? I know you are born ready. Kindly choose your question.
Maga pa. Ang real.
So let's read the question. What initiatives can youth leaders undertake to improve community engagement in our barangay?
Thank you for that powerful question. So the question is, what initiative can youth leaders undertake to improve community engagement in our barangay? Well, ladies and gentlemen, sabi nga ng ating dakilang bayani ni si Dr. Cesar, ng kabataan ay pag-asa ng ating bayan. Nagsisimula ang pagbabahagi ng kaalaman ng mga kabataan sa isang komunidad.